Today we are reviewing the Maono Wave T5, a next-generation wireless microphone system designed for creators, vloggers and podcasters. At just 9 grams, the Wave T5 is incredibly lightweight, but don't let its size fool you. It packs some serious audio performance. The plug-and-play functionality makes setup effortless, whether you are using it with a camera, phone or computer. Plus, the one-click mute and AI-powered noise reduction make it super convenient for on-the-go recording. This microphone delivers great sound quality with an 80 dB signal-to-noise ratio and supports 48 kHz 24-bit recording. That means crisp, clear and professional-grade audio whether you are in a studio or a noisy environment. And with 3-mode, 14-level noise cancellation via the Maono Link app, you can fine-tune your audio to perfection. Want to customize your sound? The Wave T5 offers multiple preset voice filters, allowing you to tweak your voice tone from warm to bright. Perfect for different recording scenarios with minimal post-production. The frequency hopping technology, the Wave T5 provides reliable, stable transmission up to 1000 feet, so you won't have to worry about dropouts even in busy environments. And when it comes to the battery life, you are looking at 9 hours per transmitter and 30 hours with the charging case. Plus, it supports charging while in use, making it ideal for long interviews, live streaming and on-the-go recording. Whether you are a vlogger, filmmaker or content creator, this is a solid choice for professional audio on the go. Testing 1 2 1 2. Testing 1 2 1 2. This is all about it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more awesome tech reviews. See you in the next one.